Imagine a situation that you have prepared this beautiful dashboard and suddenly the power gets off. So you lost it all if you don't save it. Yes, today's topic is about taking backup and restoring your flow in the node. So you know that in the Flow 14, I have all the nodes connected for this first dashboard. So how I can take the back? Click on these three lines, click on export, and there are two methods of exporting. You can copy this to clipboard and in paste it somewhere, or you can download the this JSON file. So when you download it, so this first dashboard is saved as flow.json. Now, if I delete this row, so I'm taking the risk to delete. Let's delete it. So you can see that flow 14 is deleted when I deploy, and I can't see any first dashboard in my Node-RED. Now I want to import that, what I have exported right now. So you see that I click on import it and select a file to import. Now you see the flow 14 is automatically created, and when you deploy, you can again see the dashboard. So this is a file that is also required in the competitions that have also marks that you are taking the backup of a file that you have created, and you see that a flow doesn't look so much good, and even it has marks of optimization how you have arranged your flow, how your flow looks like. Let me delete it. It is creating error. Now it's okay. So I'll show you how we can arrange our flows. Let's see, this is the example for UI control node, and I want to arrange it in a group. You can drag to all the nodes you want to group, right click, group, group selection. So now you have created the group. You can name it, double click, name it. You can change the outline color, the inside color, and done. So now you see a huge change in the flow. So this is called optimization, where you take up less space for each node and make it look apparent, which is also expected in the competitions. So this was it for this video. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.